High above the clouds, the great silver moon yawned so widely that a sprinkle of stardust drifted down to earth. It had been shining all night, keeping watch over sleepy towns, glowing rivers, and whispering forests. But tonight felt different. The moon was tired. "Oh dear," it mumbled. "I think I might fall to sleep." Down below, in a small house by the hill, a boy named Leo peeked out his window. "The moon looks sleepy tonight," he said softly. As Leo watched, the moon blinked slowly, and with each blink, the stars around it started yawning too. One by one, the stars dimmed their lights and drifted into gentle slumber. The night sky grew quieter. Suddenly, a tiny moonbeam floated into Leo's room and whispered, "We need help. The moon is falling asleep, and soon the whole night will stop moving." Leo gasped. What happens if the moon sleeps? The beam flickered. No dreams, no tides, no twinkling stars, only silence. Leo jumped out of bed. "Then we have to wake him up." The moonbeam nodded. "Climb aboard." The beam wrapped around Leo like a silver ribbon and lifted him up through the window into the cool night air. They soared past fluttering bats and sleepy owls who hooted lazily. Too sleepy, can't flap anymore. As they climbed higher, Leo saw the stars snoozing in hammocks made of cloud fluff. Finally, they reached the moon's edge, soft as velvet, glowing faintly gold. The moon opened one droopy eye. "Oh, hello there, little dream traveler. What brings you up here?" Leo bowed politely. "Mr. Moon, if you sleep now, the whole night will stop. The stars need your light." The moon chuckled sleepily. "But I'm so tired. Leo, shining is hard work.